911, 911. The number to call is 911.
911, 911. The number to call is 911.
Always be prepared in case of a fire emergency.
The best way to practice fire safety is to be prepared, cause there's a possibility you might find yourself in an emergency. You wanna be ready. Things like
Check your smoke detector.
Hey, what drive you to create such product? What drives us to create such product is that fire has been one of the leading causes of accidents, specifically in the residential areas. To prevent fire accidents and damage to properties, I have thought of creating such product which can notify the owner via Wi-Fi.
Excuse me, what is your product made of?
So our product uses an MQ2 sensor which not only detects smoke but also flammable gases such as LPG. Yes. Also, it uses an ESP8266 Wi-Fi module so that the user can be notified via Wi-Fi. So that's what makes our product more advanced and more efficient for the customers. Anything else?
What's up, Mayor? I have a question for you. What is the advantage of your product? So the advantage of our product is that it can send notification to the owner via Wi-Fi, and it can also send an email to the Bureau of Fire Protection if there is smoke detected in our product. It is also lightweight and it consumes less power. That is the advantage of our product. To know more about our product, we can show you a demonstration.
Nara, ni-email.
Nine one one, 911. The number to call is 911.
911, 911. The number to call is 911.